Quran is Furqan. Quran gives you both sides of the story. So 19 Surah Maryam ayat 58. So Allah is telling us that who are an'amta alayhim. If I ask each one of you, whoever is out there on Zoom and we're sitting here, if I ask you that in Salat we've been asking all our lives, Siratul Ladina an'amta alayhim, Siratul Ladina an'amta alayhim. Have you ever asked yourself that what am I asking for? I'm saying that, Ya Allah, guide me to the path of an'amta alayhim, those who have been rewarded, the most successful celebrities of deen, celebrities of Allah. An'amta alayhim, those whom you have rewarded in all times. So this is the path we've been asking. And they were successful in this world and hereafter. Allah gave them the kingdom of this world. They ruled the world. They showed the world how to live in peace. They showed the world how to, do justice and what is meritocracy and what is education system and, all these an'amta alayhim in all times. They taught the world, they taught human beings how to live in peace, how to address the discord among, one another, how to distribute rights, what is the place of a woman, what is the place of a man, what is the place of parents, what is the place of children, how to balance your economy. These are an'amta alayhim. They taught the world. And we are asking for their path, but we are not doing anything about it. Because we are not asking, we are reciting. If we were asking, then we would have searched for it. जो चीज़ हमें चाहिए होती है, we search. We go on Google, we ask AI, we ask ChatGPT, यार कहाँ से मिलेगा? Where do I find this? Where can I get this? Which app I should, So when we really need something, we seek, we urge, we go for it. But since we've been reciting it without understanding aimlessly, so we never questioned that what is our relation with an'amta alayhim. Why are we asking for that path? What was their character? What was their salat like? Because we are discussing salat. How did they offer their salat? What was salat for them? وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُ الرَّحْمَنِ. When the ayat of Rahman were recited upon them, when they heard the ayat of Allah, what did they do? How did they respond?
They fell down in sajda tearfully.
Gee, did we do that? वो सजदे में गिर के रोते थे. Why were they crying and my mind is somewhere else? This is the salat of the believer.